Morning guys, so it's the 22nd of February and we're spending another weekend doing the van. Today we're going to do the floor, so we're going to clean it and then we've got to cut out all the Thermowrap in the shape of the floor. Yeah, it's going to be quite a big part of the van today, so yeah, it's quite exciting. So it's actually a really nice day today compared to last weekend when it was Storm Dennis. Fingers crossed today you'll get to see a bit more of the outside of the van too. So now it's a nice day, I can actually show you what the van looks like in the daylight. So it's just got this metal kind of flooring. Say morning.
Hi.
What we're going to do is use that tape to tape around all the edges to seal it all, and then we're going to put more of that Thermowrap all over the floor. First job is to hoover all the dust that's come. We've cleaned this floor like 3 times already. So the plan with the floor is that when we bought the van it came with a ply floor, so we've taken that out, we've given it a hoover and we've used the aluminium tape to seal all of the round, just like around the outside of the floor, ready to put more Thermowrap on. Next job, measuring the Thermowrap against the plywood and cutting it into the right shape. Floor is finished. Well, not quite. We just got to tape it all up with the aluminium tape, and then we can put the ply back on. Hi guys, so we're back in now. We actually took longer than we thought because putting back the plywood after Thermowrapping the whole floor, they wouldn't fit, they were like on top of each other, so we spent ages like filing them, like sawing it, and then finally we got them to fit. So the floor's done, so that's all finished, so we can really crack on and do the walls and the ceiling and the rest of it. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure when it will be, but obviously give us tips. Yeah, see you all next time. Bye!